Hi, today we're going to look at absolute value expressions. So absolute value, simplest terms is how far away from zero is something. So if I'm talking about distance and I have the absolute value of 4, if I'm standing at 4, I want to know how far away from zero are we? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a distance of 4 units. Okay, if we're standing at absolute value of -4, I want to find out how far away are we? We're distance from zero. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so whether or not we have a positive number inside the absolute value or a negative number inside the absolute value, either way, when we talk about the distance, our answer is going to come out to be a positive number. Okay, we now need to take this and we need to combine it with the rules of order of operations in order to solve an absolute value expression. So before I can take the absolute value, I need to simplify inside. I need to make this as small as possible. I need to make sure there's one number left, and then we take the absolute value. So let's ignore these brackets as if they weren't even there and simplify using order of operations. So we don't have any parentheses, no exponents, but we do have multiplication or division. We got multiplication here. So 2 times -3 gives us -6. Bring down that 1. All of that is still inside the absolute value. Now let's combine the 6 and the 1, giving us a -5. When you have one number left, that's when we take the absolute value. How far away from 0 is this number, -5? It's a distance of 5. Okay. Um, when you have a more complicated problem, we have numbers on the outside now of the absolute value. I want to use this order of operation rule twice. The first time we're going to go through this, let's simplify inside first. So ignore the 2, ignore the 3, and I just want to focus on 4, 1, and 7. 4 and 1 multiplied together gives you 4. Negative, negative is a positive. Plus 7. All of that is inside the absolute value. 4 and 7 now give us 11 inside the absolute value. When you have one number left, that's when we take the absolute value. We get 11. Uh, okay, should we be done? Yeah, hold up. We didn't touch the 2, we didn't touch the 3. Let's bring them all down. When we get down here, I'm going to pretend this 11 is in parentheses and put the 2 out there. Why? Because these are next to, that means multiplication, multiplication, multiplication. I still want to showcase that multiplication down in this problem. So we put that in parentheses. 2 and 11 gives us 22. Then we add 3, and leaving us with 25. So we did order of operations in the middle of the absolute values. Then we did order of operations all again once everything was gone. That is solving or simplifying rather, an absolute value expression.